Good morning, kids. To your warm-up today, we're going to play along with a video on YouTube. It's called Foundation Warm-Ups, number 1, Cinematic Accompaniment. So just follow the link, and I want to show you what part you're going to play. When you see the music come up on the page, it's all on the same page, so you have to find yours. So C instruments, that's going to be the flutes and oboe. This part here that was B flat instruments, the second row, is for trumpets and clarinets. This is for E flat instruments, the third line. That's your alto saxes, bari sax. This fourth line would be French horns, which we don't have any of those. This line right here is going to be trombones, or bass clef, baritone. Finally, the bottom line right down here, it even says tuba. Percussion, for this one, I would have you play with the flutes, the C part up here. So basically what you're seeing, this compass star that's going across, is telling you where we are. So here's the beat. 1, 2, half, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, half, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, half, rest. So it's really easy, but it's fun to play along with some music in the background. So that's your warm-up for today. Thanks.